Hello the world, hello YouTubers, welcome to my booster motivation. Yes, you're on my booster motivation. My name is Ernst Josh, aka EG, because people call me EG. If you stop for the first time, let me greet you with a warm welcome. And on my name and on behalf of the all MBM crew, my booster motivation crew, I welcome you to this channel. As you come for the first time, I would like you to subscribe and hit the bell button that you can have notification anytime we got new video like this one, new stuff coming out, new materials coming out almost every day. And we got 3 live training sessions per week, and we got other videos that coming. So what we do, we create this motivational and educational channel. We create live training session. We are everywhere we are, we provide the same service for you for free. So on the road, at the studio, when I'm travel, at the hotel, everywhere I am, okay, I got to produce a video to make you to give you the knowledge, the insights, the information that you need to know to become very successful. Today it's really cold. I'm drinking some hot tea, lemongrass tea with milk. So it's really cold in New York. And then I'm going to do this video really quick because I have to eat the word very soon. But what is the purpose of this video? It's some people tell me, I got some email and some feedback for people tell me, you're talking about motivation. The name of the channel is my boost of motivation, but they said what they find that I don't put too much emphasis on motivation. Motivation is not everything I have to say, have to put the word motivation on it. Motivation is the ability to make you commit to what you have to do. Right? It's the ability that I can use to persuade you that you must do what you think you must, what you think is be done, what you choose to do, and you must do things that must be done in a way that you can have the result that you are looking for. This is what motivation is all about. So it's called really cool. So in this video, okay, which is live, I would like to understand that if I put this video, I don't say the word motivation non-stop. It's not because motivation, it's not part of the game. It's not part of what I'm doing in this channel. It's I teaching motivation in another way. Some people they like telling you everything in the world is beauty, everything it's easy, you know, you can sit on your butt and get everything you want. You know, you just have to repeat some mantra. You have to do this or that. No, I'm a very practical guy. I wake up early and I sleep very a few hours. I make some research. I work hard. I got to do things. I work smart and hard. Now, you know, I do both of them. So what I'm saying, it's the type of decision that you are taking on a daily basis that what give you the sense of motivation, what you are, what the type of decision that you are taking on a daily basis. This is what motivation is. Like today, it's really cold. Even inside the house where I am, inside the building where I am, we got heat and everything, and the temperature is really cold out there. I went outside to warm my car, and I can see ice all over the windows and stuff. That's when it's really cold. But should that stop me to do what I have to do? No. because I have to do what I have to do. So I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it because I like to do it. If I go to a place and I go to do a job and I go to solve problem, I go to put my expertise, my knowledge at the service at others, I can solve the problem and they can themselves become successful. I'm more than happy to do that. This is the reason that I wake up and I prepare my tea, and I gotta go out there, and I know that I should go early. I will experience some traffic, but it was so mad cold, you know, and then I have to prepare my tea, drink something hot that can warm my body before I hit the road. This is what it's about. Motivation is not I'm telling you this, I'm telling you this, I'm telling you to read this book. No, it's not only that. Motivation is more than that. If you can read book, okay, not everybody is able to read book. That's been when I say it's able there, and to read book is a culture. You have to prepare yourself to read books. And then when you read one book, you read more, you read two, you read three, and you read more. But to be able to read a book, you have to find something that you like and what you like, and you are looking for more information about what you like. And now you go to books to find more information, and you will find interest in what you're doing, and you will learn more, and you will learn more, and you will become more successful. So the way we teach motivation at my booster motivation is a totally different way than what others doing. That's why I never consider myself as a motivational speaker, and I more consider myself as a coach, somebody that can transfer his knowledge to you, and that you can use it in your you can use it in your area to obtain success. This is what is about. Motivation is not preaching, is not put many people in a stay any many people many a speaker to deliver a keynote on the stage, and many people are listening, and there are music playing, everybody's happy, and after the event, okay, when people get back to their normal life, to their reality life, and they forget everything, and they need another guys to do, or guys or women to do another two, and to preach the same gospel of wealth. Actually, Gospel of Wealth is the title of a book from Andrew Carnegie. It's a small book, powerful book. And then these people, they try to teach this gospel of wealth, but most of the time they not do it good, because if this way, okay, the way that others doing, fill up people, 20,000 people, many people on the stage on the room, and doing the 3 day seminars. If that things was working for so many people that been in this type of event, we will have more wealthy people in the world. We will have more people that are successful in the world. It's not like that. To become successful, you have to do things in a certain way. You have to think in a certain way. You have to do things in a certain way. You have to understand the concept of being great, the concept of being successful. That's why if you watching my booster motivation, I always recommend you to read the book of Wallace D. Walton. Okay, this book, okay, The Science of Getting Rich. It's one of the book. If you read it, or if you don't like to read it, you can find it online on Amazon, on YouTube. You can put your hands on it. And when you get access to this information, you will understand that wealth is about a thinking. And that's why we use mind booster first. Your mind should be boosted up, okay, with the power charge. As you can see in the logo, we got and the logo on this side, I believe, and this side you can see there's a power code. Okay, there's a power code. This is the energy that that pass into your body, the desire, the burning desire, this hot energy that circulate through your body and go all the way up to your mind. And then from there, you got a booster. Okay, you got a booster charge to your mind that give you the desire. Okay, this you want something, you want it so bad that it's become a burning desire. The burning desire go all the way to your head. When you do that, that give you the motion to do it, to go get it, which is the motivation. So this is what my booster motivation is about. We're not a traditional way, we're not a traditional YouTube channel where people talking about blah 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 and then all the thing they do, the show, the cars, the show, um, when they go in a place, they take picture all over the place, to show people how good they might doing, and they might really person. You got to talk to them on private. They are willing to accept any $100 to in any $100 from you, because they more try to rob you and then teach you something. They more try to get your money to teach you something. If these people were really wealthy, really successful, they won't be pushing ads, advertising all the time, paying a lot of money for people to know them. Okay, they're more like making noise than signal. They're more like try to rob you than teach you. That's why in my booster motivation, we not we not charging you. We give you this knowledge for free. We give you the information that you need to succeed. That's why in this channel you don't see me promote other people's product, because we don't do that. We stand on our ground. We know what we're doing is legit, it's powerful, and people who follow this channel will become successful. And this is what it's about. This is what we stand for. Okay, we want you to understand the way you can work with yourself. Okay, and the way you can work with yourself to make yourself become successful. That's why we want you to connect with the energy within you. Okay, that you can release your full potential. You can become very successful. You know, as I'm talking to you right now in the studio, in front of me, there is my my vision board, and I got all the details, all the things I want to accomplish. And by the time I'm talking to you in the studio that I didn't use for more than 9 months, on the vision board there is a design. Okay, I never realized that there is a picture and everything, the way the studio used to be. Like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 monitors, and I got this chair, and everything that is on the vision board, it's actually here. I never realized that exactly what I put on my vision board is exactly what is happening. This is exactly what I'm doing. And that vision board, there's a sticker that said, build my own audio and video studio. And I'm on my own video studio, and I'm doing that. So this is what is about. Motivation is more than that. Uh, Beside of my booster motivation, we manage as well Lab Camp Radio, Lab Camp www.lebkamp.com, labcampradio.com, LEBKAMP radio.com. Lab Camp Radio is stand for people who don't have a chance to get their music on radio station and stuff, and they don't have money to promote the music. You can just send us an email with the song, and the 5 minutes later on, you got your music online, and this radio station is broadcasting exclusively on internet, and people all over the world can listen to your song, and that's our contribution to society. Motivation is more than a word. Motivation is a life. It's a lifestyle. Motivation is the way you live in, is the way you act, is the way you think. Most likely is the way you think. To be successful, you must live in a certain way. You must do things in a certain way. And there is a way, if you do things, you will become successful. In any place, any country, any area, any territory, any city, any town, there is there are people who are wealthy. There are people who are successful. If one individual in one area can become successful, you so can you. If one person and one individual in an area can become great and can become famous, so do you. So this is what is about. My booster motivation stand for you, stand with you, and we teach you motivation in a prolific, positive manner that you can understand we are down to earth and we are normal people like you. And don't be afraid, you can become successful as well. You can have the level of success you want, and that can start right now. You just need to take a decision, the decision to change your life, to overcome what is happening in your life, and to change your life. When you change your life, things will change for you. If you ever read a Gym One or listen to Gym One tape or cassette, or you watch some video online, you will very understand that Jim One preach, you must change yourself. Okay, if you not change yourself, nothing's gonna change for you. That's why in my booster motivation, we put a lot of emphasis in individual and the energy that we within you. We want you to release this energy. This is all you want to do. This is all you must do. This is where your motivation will take off. So I, before my tea getting cold, I am very pleased that I share this moment with you. Or for those who want me, those comments and those emails said that motivation, they more want to invite me on stage, invite me for a talk. I'm not into that now. I'm more focused on my audience. I'm more focused on people all over the world that spend thousands of hours watching videos in this channel. I'm more focused on them because these people, most of them, they don't have the money to go on a 3 day seminars and to see superstars, and they are struggling, but they have value. They can start a small business. They need somebody to push them, to make them, to help them believe in themselves and help them accomplish the dream. Okay, dream big, think big, success is on your way. You just have to live in a certain way. And if the way you live, if you not encounter success now in your life, it's because you don't do what you're supposed to do. That's when you don't live the way you're supposed to live. You have to live in a certain way, to do things in a certain way, in a way that will bring success into your life. You can prevail, you can become successful. Success can be revealed to you if you reveal yourself to live in a certain way. Release everything that hold you back. Okay, connect with the energy that within you, and success is already on your way. My name is Jan Josh, aka G. That was a really short talk. I will see you in the next live training session. For the time being, I was very pleased to share this video with you. I will see you on the next one. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.